So I've been away for a few weeks. I've been doing a number of different things, but sort of progress halted really because I needed to get the boat on the trailer so I could get under it to do the hull, to paint the hull. Before I did that, I had to then go I had to strip my new trailer off because I wanted that to be sandblasted, as you saw in the last video. That's not been done yet because I've been waiting for my mate to get back to me to let me know how much it's going to charge to do the sandblasting, and then to dip it with to galvanise it. Prior to that, I've got to weld it. So my time has been spent doing a few little jobs, if you like, little things that I needed to do. One of which is the engine cover, but I've also managed to fix the old trailer, put the boat on it. Once now it's on it, I can get under and start painting it. So I'm going to paint the hull next, so that's going to be my next video, and then hopefully shortly the new trailer will be ready. So once after that I can actually stick it on the new trailer, and then it's very nearly ready to go. I'll put the engine on it, test the engine out, get it probably tuned up. I need to get it tuned up before I use it, get the timing right, and for that I need a wheel, because I haven't got it's not very good doing it in a wheelie bin. So I need to get a balance wheel to be put on the propeller. But other than that, we're sort of nearly ready to go. Well, sorry, other than quite a few things, we're nearly ready to go. But let me show you what it looks like. There's my engine cover, which I did. So I rubbed it all down, filled it, and what I've done is I've actually used filler to make a 50. See how it comes out when I paint it, but hey. Okay, so we're now up on the trailer, so now I can actually get under and do the actual underside of it, which is going to be a massive leap forward, because literally it's one of the last things I need to do to the boat, the major things at least. Thinking about it, I better put a block underneath that, because that little jockey wheel doesn't look that great. I also need more material, because I need to stitch that in around the edge here, but that'll come. Okay, this is me after finishing probably a third of the hull, getting under it, wet and dry, getting splash. No other way around it. You just can't do it without getting a bit dirty. So I've got a lot of work to do now. Got 3 holes on the hull. I knew there was going to be 1. Didn't know there was only 3. They haven't been fixed correctly. Just had a bit of fiberglass stuck on it. Painted over. And it's like, yeah, mate, yeah, great boat. Yeah, get yourself out to sea. It's what you got to watch with these old boats, really is. And you know, it's all right buying these cheap boats, thinking that they're all ready to go. But if I'd have just put underseal, if I'd have put anti-fouling on this, you know, could have ended up sinking. You know, if I thought it was ready to go. But needless to say, good learning. And this is why I never buy an old boat without getting down and dirty with it. And I think anyone who's in a project boat, they tend to go buy like quite a modern one after they've done one. This is a one and only time you do a project, but enjoying it. So hey, let me show you these. Let me show you these patches. Okay, one there, just stuck over. One there. One there. I haven't done the other side yet, so God knows what's under there. But that's enough for this one, and I'll hopefully have the bottom cleaned up by next week. I've got to do a bit of welding on the trailer again, a bit more, and then that's going to go off to the get sandblasted and galvanised, and then it's just a case of waiting for I get enough money to buy the axles. But yeah, it's a few more episodes by the looks of it.